Hi everyone! Today tuturuan ko kayo paano gumamit ng hash generator para ma-identify natin kung kinopya ba yung isang file or hindi. Start tayo. Open natin yung generator, hash generator. And then open natin. And then i-open natin yung folder na to. Select. And then hanapin natin sa desktop yung sample documents natin. So desktop number 1. Open natin, get my hash value. Then start generating. Next naman, open ulit tayo ng hash generator. Tignan natin kung magkapareho ba sila ng hash value. Ito yung kinapi ko. Then start generate hash. As you can see, pareho sila. So that kinopya niya lang yung file na yon. Ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching.